Hey, welcome back, Hot Wheel lovers. Welcome back to 164 Scale Racing again. They'll be showing you a couple of old cars. Some of them dating back in the 69, 70s. I picked up from a guy. Well, let's get started. First up, we got a 1988 Ford Graphic school bus. Next, we got a Hot Wheels American Victory Red Line Vintage. What they call a 1973 number 9 steamroller. Used to have the American flag and all on it, with number 9 right there. It's all faded out. Next, we got it's a 1974 Aero Flash cream color. It used to be a color changer, is what it said. Number 15 on it. Next, we got a 2003 Swoopy Doo Space Pirates. Then we got a 77 funny car. It's the Human Torch Fantastic Four. Then we got a 1983 Nissan 200 SX, what they call the Crackup. Never seen one. It's called the Crackup. Reason why it's called the Crackup is you got this little thing right here, which is, I guess it's the regular, and then it gets hit, and then it's got damage to the rear end. But anyway, that's called a Crackup. Then we got a 1984 Crackup Chevy truck. Used to have a camper on the back. I don't know what happened to it, but it's the same thing. That get hit, bam. It's called a crack up. Next, we got a 1969 Porsche 917 Flying Colors. You can see most of the colors has done flew off of it. The little bubble right there is gone. But that's the Porsche 917 flying colors. Next, we got 2004 Hot Wheels Batmobile S SO4. Had SO4, SO5, different ones. Says this one is a rare. I don't know how rare it is, but it says it is. Never seen one. Then we got a green 1997 intercooled F3 Shadow Jet. Used to have a bubble. It's been broke. Must have been a lot of kids playing with these cars. Anyway, that's a green Shadow Jet. Then we got another blue car. It's a 1989 Shadow Jet Super Getty Turbo. See there? Never seen one of them either. And next, it's a 2014 Fast Fish. Fast Fish. And we got a 1977 HW Hotbird. Super rare Firebird. Hong Kong. Made Hong Kong and Malaysia. This is Hong Kong. Tell you, it's been played with and beat up. That's the Hotbird. Next, we got two 1974 Porsche P911s. We got one from Malaysia. We got one from Hong Kong. This one's Hong Kong. And this one right here is from Malaysia. P911s. I don't think I've ever had two cars that's one from Hong Kong, one from Malaysia, two different ones. But do now. Then I got a yellow Ferrari 599 GTB Fiorana, whatever how you pronounce that. Also from Malaysia. And then I got a 1998 Mustang United Groove Hippie Mobile. Yep, Hippie Mobile. I mean, not 98. I mean, it's a 68. Sorry. 68. Fastback Mustang United Groove Hippie Mobile. From Malaysia. Thought that was all pretty cool. And then last, I got a 1975 HW Vintage Spider-Man Black Marvel car. The Heroes. You see Spider-Man on the back. But anyway, that's these old cars. I got some more old cars to show you. Got a whole pile on from a lady. Be bringing them to you. Hope you liked them. If you do, please like and subscribe. Check out my other videos of 1/64 scale racing, please. A bunch of old cars and stuff on them. Thank you for watching. And we'll see you later. Thanks. Bye.